Why you should buy Galaxy Watch 6 Classic or skip it and get the older Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. There are some amazing features we have on the Watch 6 Classic, but one feature is left unchanged. I'll share two main reasons why Watch 6 Classic is the best one for you, and last one explains why Watch 5 Pro could be a better option. Finally, what we all wanted, Galaxy Watch 6 Classic brings the rotating bezel back. It was requested on Watch 5 Pro, but thanks to Samsung, it's finally here. Along with this, the bezels are even smaller than the last year, around 20%. This could be a surprise for you as Samsung released the Brightest Display on the Watch 6 Classic, which is 2000 nits peak brightness. If you guys don't know, S23 Ultra and Fold 5 came with the 1750 nits peak brightness, so you don't have any issues under direct sunlight. Samsung released this device in two versions, 43mm and 47mm. The bigger one comes with a 1.5 inches display with the durability of a sapphire crystal, which is the best so far. But there is a small downside of the Watch 6 Classic, the stainless steel build. Yes, the 47mm Watch 6 Classic weighed around 59 grams, quite heavy though. Last year, Watch 5 Pro was about 46.5 grams, a big difference here. Samsung offers great features in Watch 6 Classic, but before that, a subscribe to the channel will be amazing. Watch 6 Classic is out with the new Wear OS 4 with the One UI 5 skin, which brings a couple of new features on the Watch 6 Classic. The sensors on the Watch 6 Classic is quite same as last year, but along with the blood pressure monitoring, Samsung added a new irregular heart rhythm notification, which can save your life, and this even works while you're sleeping. Samsung also improved the sleep tracking feature with the new on-device sleep coaching, which will give you a detailed analysis on your sleep consistency. Now, Watch 6 Classic support more apps, where you can now run WhatsApp, Google Calendar, and even Gmail on your Watch 6 Classic, and other apps are also coming to the Watch 6 Classic in the future. Samsung also offers a new hardware improvements where we're going to get the Exynos W930 processor, which is faster and power efficient than the previous generation. And Watch 6 Classic comes with a 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. Despite getting a power efficient processor, Watch 6 Classic just falls short of battery life. Although the batteries are bigger than the Watch 4 Classic series, but quite small compared to the Watch 5 Pro. And looking at the number, it is no-brainer to get Watch 6 Classic over Watch 5 Pro if you need a long-lasting battery. As per Samsung claims, Watch 6 Classic will last about 40 hours with always-on display turned off and about 30 hours with the always-on display turned on, compared to 80 hours battery life on the Watch 5 Pro. There will be two main things to check. First, the Watch 6 Classic comes with the 2000 nits peak brightness compared to 1000 nits on the Watch 5 Pro, and Watch 5 Pro comes with the bigger battery, 590 mAh compared to 425 mAh. It's easy to say Watch 5 Pro is the clear winner in the battery life. Although Watch 6 Classic is cheaper than the Watch 5 Pro at $430 compared to $450 on the Watch 5 Pro. With that said, if you're confused between Watch 6 Classic and Watch 5 Pro, then you should watch this video, and by this time I hope everyone is subscribed. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.